So if you're looking for a cool and interesting gadget for a gift for the man in your life, then consider this 18-in-1 Snowflake Multi-Tool. This is great for outdoor travel, camping adventures, a daily tool that you could carry. You could put it in your car for emergencies, and it'll be very handy in that top drawer in your kitchen for all sorts of necessary repairs. 18-in-1 tools in the Snowflake tool. It also can be hung on the key ring on a backpack. This is a pretty serious weighted piece of material because it's made out of stainless steel, which makes it corrosion resistant. It has a polished surface and it's not easy to rust. So let's go down what it does. It has a slotted screwdriver and box cutter. It has 8mm 1132. It has the keyhole. It has a Phillips 7mm, 9mm. It has a bottle opener. It has a hex bolt, a twine knife, 6mm bolt, a 13mm wrench, 5mm hex, 4mm hex, 10mm 3/8 wrench. The list goes on and adds up to 18 useful tools and one little Snowflake handy device. So if you're into gadgets or you know someone that would appreciate a gift like this, then consider this tool on your next purchase.